the age of social media, there's a lot of people who really want to push forward for progress, people who want to build a better future. Build for Better is an initiative for Cat Footwear to bring the DIY community offline into a real-life event to do better for communities around the country and around the world. This year, the goal is to build desks. The desks that we build will be donated to a nonprofit in need of a makeover.
Thanks everyone for joining us today. We're excited to get started. We only have 6 hours to build all these desks, so let's make the most of our time.
Once you show people the basics, they can make anything. And that's how the community is with woodworking and making. You connect with people, you share ideas. Everybody shares everything all the time.
When you're coming across somebody who's never built before, I think the intimidation is going to be the challenge. I know it's something that I felt when I hadn't built before, but you have to at least try it.
No matter what kind of plan you have ahead of you, there's always mistakes. It gets frustrating. You run out of time, but in the end, it always turns out great.
Historically, we've had donated furniture that's gone through 2 or 3 hands. It's nice to be able to, not have to work on the back of an old door.
Okay guys, 5 minutes left. Let's wrap it up.
This act today supports the work that we're doing in the community. A desk gives you your own substantial space for your memories, space for your history. A desk, it validates the work you're doing. I don't think people understand the value of it.